Welcome to Jeffrey Court's new Chapter 16 Park Place University video. We're happy you're here. Jeffrey Court's inspiration for the new Chapter 16 is found in New York's Art Deco style in the Roaring 1920s. The Empire State Building is a timeless example of this Art Deco style because of its delicate stonework and opulent design. Places like Times Square and Madison Square Park are stately examples for the Park Place collection. Jeffrey Court has mixed New York's elegant style with the buzzy city energy of today into this collection. Our design team focuses on developing tile with an eye for quality and continuing trends. We create tile patterns that are timeless with a twist of modernity. An example is our subway mosaic featuring a traditional subway field design. The twist is the detailed placement of the stones, like the black Nero Marquina or the beige Botticino. These marble details add sophistication to the expected subway pattern. Another great example of the Jeffrey Court design team's influence on this collection are the curated materials. This new collection also features Brazilian Azul Macaba gemstones. This exotic gemstone features gray, blue, and the occasional violet veining. What I like best about this kitchen is that the Chelsea gray gives it a noticeable but subtle accent tone. The dominant colorway featured in the Chapter 16 collection is the Wall Street White, featuring minimal earth gray tone veining. There are 4 accent colors featured in the Park Place collection. First, we have the Chelsea Gray, which is featured in the kitchen. We have Empire Beige, which is also featured behind me. Manhattan Sky, which is blue. And lastly, the Brooklyn Marquina, which is black. The opulent quality in this collection are the polished stone accent pieces. These accent colors sparkle against the honed field marble. With a fusion of classic and contemporary styles, each mosaic sheet is a renowned work of quality. The Park Place collection offers 11 hand-assembled mosaic patterns. The 11 patterns are Bryant, Ferry, Gapstow, Grand Central, Lexington, Madison, Metropolitan, Perry Avenue, Subway, Terrace on the Park, and Times Square. The 2 field tile sizes in the Park Place collection are the 3x6 micro beveled and the 3x9 flat field. The 2 trim options in this collection are the crown that comes in Wall Street White and the dome that comes in 5 colors: Wall Street White, Chelsea Gray, Empire Beige, Manhattan Sky, and Brooklyn Marquina. What I like best about this bathroom is that it's classic and timeless with the marble, but then also the little specks of sparkle just elevate the mood. With all natural stone, it's recommended to use products from multiple cartons to ensure a proper uniform look, like we have here. The beauty of the Chapter 16 mosaics is that they feature tight joints. All the mosaics in this collection should be butted up against each other in order to achieve an intended seamless look. The Tile Council of North America recommends grout joints smaller than 1/8 inch should generally be grouted with unsanded grout. To achieve the seamless effect, the installation needs to be a very tight-fitting assembly. The hydration of the setting materials can cause the stone and grout to initially darken. There is little open area for the moisture in the setting material to escape. The light color will normally return in a day or 2 after the setting material has thoroughly dried. Visit youtube.com/Jeffrey Court for video installation tips, or visit jeffreycourt.com/Park Place for detailed information on how to install these mosaics. To learn more about the new Chapter 16 Park Place collection, head to our website, jeffreycourt.com, visit our social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, or Pinterest, or sign up for our newsletter for the latest news and product releases.